How's it and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am currently locked onto a yellow hornbill, a curious yellow hornbill that landed here and has been watching me while I've set my camera up. I'm currently standing outside of Ratlhogo Hide in the north of the Pilanesberg National Park.
Ratlhogo might be one of the most dangerous hides to film at in the Pilanesberg, certainly one of the wildest. This was the scene of an elephant attack captured on video, where an aggressive male elephant lifted a safari vehicle full of guests clean off the ground.
And this is definitely one of my favorite hides. I've been very, very lucky here in the past with leopard sightings, brown hyena sightings. I just have to make sure there's no leopard sighting or lion sighting happening behind me. I'm about to head inside to spend a couple of hours here to see what birds and animals come and frequent the waterhole in the late afternoon. This is Ratlhogo Hide, and you can see the water levels are quite low. We've got some zebras making their way down here to the waterhole to drink. Don't hang around for too long. Drink and move on. You can see a lot of elephant and hippo footprints here in the mud at Ratlhogo. So in the world of tortoises, turtles and terrapins, I am currently locked onto a terrapin, and the difference between these three subspecies is that the terrapin can be found in freshwater, the turtle in saltwater or our oceans, and the tortoise, which is of course land-based. See that?
Yes.
So we just saw a honey badger. Hopefully he comes out again.
He's coming out there.
Yeah, it's behind the tree.
There he is, guys. Yes, we're so lucky. That was a sight. That'll be nice, eh? Maybe he comes out the back of that bush there. There he goes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos of me documenting animals in Southern Africa.